It's a 2021 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
All roads lead to Buick GMC. Call, click, or stop on in today. We're conveniently located at 6600 Auto Center Drive in Buena Park, California.